Booyah! What's up, everyone? Geek Violet. Well, not really Geek Violet 99 here. We really haven't decided a name for this channel yet.
Yeah.
Welcome to basically our first video. Oh, and Quinn is here. Say hi.
Hi.
Thank you. And and this is our, well, basically we had this idea of that we could make this like a reaction channel, reaction channel like slash collaboration channel, where we would watch different hilarious stuff, and yeah, pretty much y'all probably get the drill already. Like we find some hilarious stuff to watch, we watch them, we edit the videos, and we put it onto YouTube. Simple as that.
Yeah, and hope not to get copyright claimed, of course.
Yes, because that is a huge fucking issue that we need. That's a huge fucking thing we need to look out for. But
typical Europe.
Pretty much, yep. So, the first video that we're gonna watch, is, well, guys can already see it in the title. Sonic the Hedgehog 2006 real-time Fandub games by Snapcube. Now, I did a reaction to the Sonic Adventure 2 real-time Fandub, and I even told her about it with the fucking I pissed on the moon, you idiot!
Yeah.
And I was supposed to upload that onto YouTube, but as I tried to go see if I could edit the video, of course, typical computer, the file got corrupted. So of course I wasn't gonna do that again. So we're gonna watch this hour and 27-minute video of the whole game, the Sonic the Hedgehog game. Now, I have a bit of a history with this game. It's not my favorite, but it's hilarious because of the glitches and stuff like that. But I mean, I may play it sometimes. Let's play, I don't know, but
you won't finish it anyways.
I won't finish it. Yeah, I haven't finished Sonic Adventure either, but maybe one day, possibly, maybe 2 years later, I don't know. But without further ado, let's get, wait, that's Dashi's intro. But whatever. Without further ado, let's jump into this.
The people.
Alright, well, let's get Liddy in this bitch. Light that bitch up right now.
I will light this picture right now.
Let's.
Princess, we're gonna get higher than a kite tonight.
What the fuck?
What the hell? Fucks up the fireworks.
Laziest Olympics ever.
I know, right? Oh shit!
Hands! Give me that shit right now. Rip it off.
I think it's the same guy.
How about no?
Oh, you'd rather do this to us?
What the fuck?
Sonic, what do you think you're going, you motherfucker?
Yes, it's the same guy. Yes.
What did you call me?
Oh, I should.
Huh? It sounds like you're getting taken away.
Yes, Sonic, I got you, bitch. I'm in the palm of my hands.
You failed.
Yep.
I'm taking her and the Chaos Emerald.
I'm gonna drop it, Elise. No! Oh, thank God. Okay, I'll rescue you. Don't worry.
No, you won't.
I
I'm taking her back to my ship, and you'll never see her again, Sonic. You'll be dead. 10,000 years, Sonic. 10,000
You
years.
won't even live 10,000 years.
10,000 years.
Said that. Don't make fun of me.
Well, Sonic, go read a book or something. See ya, idiot.
Colors on you. Anyway, I'm gonna break into. Whoa! Dematerializing, rematerializing. Unscoop, please.
Okay. Fly, Sonic. Okay. I can fly. What?
Can fly,
Yeah. Suddenly.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
The fuck? I would eat that, Sonic.
Yes.
Yes.
Put so much Fortnite in here.
Oh god.
Oh no, Rouge.
Just think of all the Fortnite battles we could win.
No.
With this much technology, we'd be unstoppable.
I appreciate
the effort, but the new rage is Doki Doki Literature Club battle.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
So, this is the fabled Tilted Towers.
Oh god.
Said you played. You were Batfucker 69 on there.
Seen you since the incident.
The incident.
Shadow, now die.
Oh, Christ.
Oh Christ.
Break it.
I don't know. Oh, God.
Oh my god, you're the music playing.
The instant ramen's been released. We need to go.
Get the fuck out!
Going to the floor. Who do you think you are, Danny Phantom or something?
For real.
That's how I got my name.
Who the fuck is that?
Just let him out. Let's give him a second to clear his throat. Kick your ass right now.
Let me get a good smell of you, little boy.
Oh god.
Look at this orb. Inside you'll see the future. In your future, it looks like you'll kiss 7 girls.
I know.
This game is
We just got
awful.
fucking Thanos. What the shit?
Finally, a grand slam.
Cheese melt for me, Silver.
There it is.
Grand Slam.
That breath extra hot coming out that mouth. Yes.
Unlike you, mine is not caused by depression.
Hey, that's not. Well, yes, I am depressed. Okay.
Because
I
play
feel
so
ya.
much Fortnite. I stay up late and go to Tilted Towers. I don't actually play Fortnite. I don't know any other places. Welcome to you like an item. Sometimes I wish I could be more than just an accessory to these women. But unfortunately, as a gamer, I don't get respect.
Well, I'm not a gamer, so maybe they'll respect me.
That just makes you a beta cuck. That's the difference
Okay.
between you and I, Silver the Hedgehog. I'm a gamer alpha gamer.
What's a gamer?
Anyway, where are we dropping, boys? Those are all the new
Where are we jumping?
With a woman in your life.
Fucking hell.
That doesn't matter.
Come on, guys.
Like autoplay for $7.
It's so cool.
I know they talked about Fortnite for 15 minutes, but god, this is making me cry. Huh?
I didn't see it.
Give me back my thing. You see, I did back Sonic in Adventure because he disrespected gamers. If you still, anyway, welcome to my purple orb. It's time to go.
Wait.
Well, at least you got all of them on the same.
Yeah, that's true.
Your legs, are they okay? They look really sunburnt.
I know.
You know.
Yeah, I do.
Oh no! Look out!
I have to go. Get a plate now.
PUBG's old news, Eggman.
Yeah, Eggman. You know.
Tetris 99's where it's
It's 99. So many Super.
Boom. It's in the sky.
Oh, it's in the sky. This is just like that dream I had once about robots in the sky.
Oh, how convenient.
To us in its true
Very
shining detail,
specific.
Well,
Yeah.
it
Specific.
was a whole dream. Bye.
That was coming, you asshole.
You're heavy.
Thanks. It's like saying you're fat.
I know, right?
Thanks.
Future of Fortnite. It's the best game of 2018.
Oh god.
Please.
Yeah, this is like...
What?
Sorry, I thought I heard a cat.
Oh.
No. Hey,
Is that what a house looks like? This place is amazing. Where am I, the future?
Let me just continue real quick.
Is that what a house looks like?
The fuck?
This is the actual worst.
What the fuck is happening?
I have no fucking clue.
Oh, and now Blue Guy's gone. The attitude.
I don't.
Is that where
Yeah.
That looks like a Windows screen to be honest.
we-
Like a Windows loading screen.
Yes.
Or not loading screen, what's it called?
The desktop screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Alexa.
Bye, Alexa.
Bye, retards.
She lives her best life. Off
Oh shit. Here we
Yeah.
go again.
Pretty much.
No, you're not. I don't know.
These are good questions.
Silver boy, I'm gonna pluck you out, melt you down, and make a fucking necklace.
Holy Christ!
You don't make this fun because you're sad.
Don't take me anywhere. Oh, fuck.
Oh.
Oh well, here we are.
Eggman.
Aquafina, bitch. I'm gonna ship that shit. Yes.
I don't know.
Eggman, I fucked your wife.
I fucked your wife.
Boys.
These towers are quite tilted.
I tilted
No,
it
no.
myself. See,
I
tried
spit
to
on my
make a game
keyboard.
battle-
For yourself, motherfucker.
Oh.
Listen, that's not important. Look.
I'll point at you also.
I'm not in the sky, dick nips.
Oh, sweet! I want to be the main character.
Of course.
Red, I'm here. I got the nice ocean breeze. Just alone with my thoughts.
Hey, Silver.
God damn it!
Well, so much for that.
The hedgehog? The blue one. Looks like this?
Yes.
I guess. If that's my story arc, then yes.
Yep.
Yep, I can kill you. Wear it as a fucking necktie.
Shadow?
I have one of those too. He's very, very
Really?
nice.
You may now.
I don't know.
Wait, Sonic, which of us is the bride? Sonic! Sonic, I need an answer!
Shadow,
Answer me.
for the reception.
No, I don't know which one of us is the bride, and that's kind of like a thing for... Oh god.
Go on, Shadow. Don't you support gay rights?
Yeah.
Look at this weird flame in front of me. It's really big. Doesn't that intimidate you?
Sorry, I confused you for Sonic. I thought we were getting married, me-files.
Come kiss me, boy.
What the fuck?
Holy shit.
He's crashing.
Someone help him!
How's it feel? You enjoying it?
What planet am I on? Today, my brain cell destroyed. My wig is gone.
But I'm glad we can still bond over how dumb your ex is.
Oh damn.
Great.
Oh
I
god.
know exactly how you like it, baby, and now
Oh
check
god.
it out. This is my new Steven Universe Crystal Gem cosplay.
Everything that you do is... Are you even listening to me?
No. Not really.
Nah.
Name a more iconic duo.
Well,
Well,
Little does she know, I hold the game file and...
This game is almost finished.
Hey, Eggman! I...
Come with me again?
Leaving me at the altar? Wait, I guess it does. See ya.
well, I guess it does. See ya.
yeah.
Gonna take you out and save the
Me.
world.
Good luck with that, I have weed.
Good luck with that. Oh, oh, mean.
Oh, that's true.
Oh my god, you can tell you're white. Anyway, I finished playing the game, I sent it to everyone.
No, Elise! I didn't mean it!
I didn't mean it!
Give me back my gamer girl, Sonic!
She's my gamer girl now. Ain't that right?
That's where I'm going. I had a YouTube thing going. Oh, great Emerald, tell me what I'm supposed to fucking do in this dub.
Am I the only one who thinks that's a penis?
It does! It does look like... It does look like
I'm
a
sorry.
penis.
Wait, you made it. Wait, have you told
Well, we don't really need to worry. We're not monetized, so...
Yeah.
And what do you know? The perfect shape.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I knew it.
Fucking stop it.
Motherfucking bitch.
Yo, you need to chill the hell out, dude. I'm tired of this. Anyway, this is the last time I try to have bots play on my Fortnite server.
You are nothing but a Fortnite BR fake and a actual diamond accessory.
What the fuck does that even mean? The string of words just absolutely mean nonsense to me. You are so far below me, you lowly little trash can man.
Alright.
What the fuck? I'm gonna lay down. I need a second after that. Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh god.
I'm so sorry. I had to get rid of him because he was gonna get rid of everything. Also, does Rouge have more weed? Because I need my fucking system. Counted you 17 different times.
I feel like it's gonna be at least 18.
Why?
What?
Capacity of this bitch. I am an alpha male gamer.
Yes, of course you are.
Yeah, of course.
We know.
The audacity of this bitch.
You wouldn't even exist. Without me, you wouldn't be able to contain the demon because of gaming. Look around you, imagine. Dragons. Gaming, like it or not. Now let me log on to
Oh god, we're an hour into this, y'all. Then we got like 27 minutes left.
Jesus Christ.
Oi.
what happened to my Fortnite account. I'm going to have a birth of cactuses.
Well, gotta take care of these guys. Who are you? Fuck you. Oh my god, it's Blue Man Group.
It is no use.
Oh, I missed. Bye.
What?
I don't know.
I'm sorry about mistaking you for the rapper Shadow the Hedgehog.
That's okay. My work is much better though, right?
No.
Just gotta be honest with you.
That's your first mission.
Yeah, well, sometimes you gotta be honest.
Make him
Yeah.
do that.
Little gay. I am so far beyond Fortnite. I have moved on, and my startup will end the world. As you can see,
Yeah, like, okay then.
oh my god, look at how high resolution I am.
He's getting his Fortnite being destroyed. No, god damn it! I spent so many hours getting all those skins, the dances. Oh god!
Your social security is someone else's.
Oh my god. Bye!
Yeah. Oh
I
well.
wanted a SpongeBob
Explosions.
popsicle,
I like the
You what?
What?
Oh,
So if you're offering, then I'd be happy to, you know.
Yeah, you know.
what?
Oh, okay. I'm sorry you have a diamond.
Yeah, time travel.
Yeah, time travel.
Yes.
You're Silver. You know what? You're a twink. I'm gonna go smoke some weed now.
How long were you waiting to say that?
The whole dub, baby.
Hold up.
Okay, have fun.
Yeah, fun, bye.
That is the tagline of this dub.
Wait, Jason, I'm coming with you.
Oh, wait. Did you time?
Oh, what the heck? Well, we're really good at that.
Job is to facilitate my.
I'm trying to pour myself a drink. What the hell?
I'm going to sacrifice.
Oh,
She don't feel so good.
Oh no.
Hi, Felicia. Wait, that wasn't me saying that. Who's this?
the way we all want to, by turning into mist and sparkles after holding 2 diamonds.
I mean, well,
Oh, it's so bright out now. I want to go inside.
Yeah, me too.
you are still my bitch.
Oh, we gotta escape from somewhere?
From somewhere, yeah, apparently.
I'm not sure where though.
Yeah.
What?
I can never die.
Okay.
That laugh.
Nice smile.
Okay, that was
Thanks, weirdo.
that was actually a line in the game.
No, it was gross on you.
Is it?
Yeah, nice smile.
Oh god.
Finally, the corrupted weed gem. Finally,
And we're back to weed.
around and I can move on from my
Yeah,
life.
why not?
I
Yeah.
used to be into Fortnite. Yeah, sure, we all had that kind of phase. That doesn't mean I want to keep dating my Fortnite boyfriend and inviting him to my new apartment every time I have a party.
Ooh.
Oh, I feel potent angst energy in this forest, Elise.
Oh, do you now? Hey, shine bright like a diamond.
What are you people doing
Yeah.
on my front
I tried.
lawn? Get out of here!
Oh,
Just don't.
Now I have all the colors of the rainbow.
oh god, yeah. I didn't realize.
Gay power. Now everyone's my boyfriend.
Okay.
Of course.
I'm a guy.
Oh,
We're all his boyfriend.
yeah, and now we got blinded by and killed by a flashing light of death.
Aww.
The snap happened, that's what happened. So out of fucking tune.
I'm sorry.
Wow.
Oh,
Finally, God, take me. I want it now. Sonic.
Satan, if you're out there, I want a piece of that pie too.
Oh, wait.
oh,
Ignore the light. Come back to regular reality. Where it's just normal.
no. Yeah, pretty much the whole fan base.
Yeah.
Elise, I have something to admit.
You're yellow!
Okay.
I was gay before the light.
Will you see that my gamer
God, not this guy again.
is your life? That is your flame that no one can ever put out. Not even the gamers.
Wait.
Just
Yeah, I
blow against it?
Wait, why does he have a... What does he have on his head?
know. You will continue on.
A
Understand
cup.
me, Elise.
It looks like a... It looks like a cup.
Like an empty cup of ice cream. He had a vanilla ice cream stuck to his hair.
I don't have a help that I could buy, so I'll just use this ice cream bowl.
Yeah.
Regret? No, come on. Let's do this one out.
Oh god.
The flame of hope. The flame of the god.
Oh god. You actually scared the shit out of me.
Yes. Except nobody can see it because it's a private area, so
Right.
yes.
Blow. Yeah, put it up.
Yeah, like...
I'm just gonna show it to you up close. It's really important. Oh,
Okay.
That's it.
They're just whispering.
Blow it
you
out.
wanna eat it.
Oh no, don't eat it, just blow it.
Oh, she blowing.
Oh. Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Yeah, it's all starting from the beginning.
Yeah.
That was meant for us.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Didn't you just feel that? That breeze? It penetrated my heart.
Sorry, that was me.
Oh god, that must have been a strong ass breeze.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Oh. Vanilla?
Oh god.
Not oh yeah, I forgot.
No. Say it, you won't.
I'm.
Oh god.
Wow.
Well.
You might wait. I don't know if this is okay. YouTube copyright shit stuff, right?
No, like this is
That's a cover.
Oh yeah, that's a cover. Yeah. You know what? Let me mute that. Let me actually mute that. I'm not gonna have that copyright. Oh god.
That music though is very nice, so
It is.
I guess
Oh.
like that was okay. What have I just witnessed?
That is a good question. That is an excellent question.
Especially because I like normally don't take like time out of my day to watch stuff like this.
Yeah.
And now I'm just confused.
This was like watching a movie.
Yeah, it basically was a movie about it.
Oh, well, yeah, it was. Remaining music is from the game original soundtrack. Okay, special shout outs, of course.
Wow. Okay. Not bad.
I know, like, wait. Thanks again to Brian and Brian for the instrumental creation of his world. Oh yeah, that was the intro. That was the intro song, I think. Please go.
Oh yeah.
Please go support his original channel and music. Okay. Thank you to all my friends and fellow creators that keep me going every day. Oh. If you're watching this on or near release day, that means I'm about to be on a short break from producing Snapcube videos. Okay. It's much needed. I hope you find enjoyment in the rest of my channel's back catalog in the meantime. So much love. Goodbye for now. Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely, man. The break. Just take the break because everyone needs it once in a while.
Yeah. If you don't take a break, you're gonna go crazy.
Yeah.
Cause yeah. Basically, the reason why I'm not like stressing it anymore, trying to put up new videos on my channel, for instance.
Yeah.
Because it's just like, what does it really matter?
Yeah.
And it doesn't really matter.
If you're black or white. So, that was Sonic the Hedgehog, a 2006 real-time Fandub Games by Snapcube. Great as always. Couldn't really tell what the fuck was going on because a lot of shit. What happened? Like weed, fucking Fortnite, PUBG.
Yeah, I'm just highly confused on what exactly happened now. Like, I can't really say, like, I can't pinpoint what I just witnessed.
Yeah, that was the same with me when I watched the Fandub of Sonic Adventure 2. You couldn't even tell what was going on, even if you already knew the story of the actual game. But that's what they usually are. Like, weird shit happens and you can't really explain it. Oh damn, that was a strong ass. That was a strong, crispy bite.
Mm-hmm.
Oh god.
I'm just trying to enjoy all of this and... Oh, fucking delicious. I nearly choked on that one.
Careful. Oh wait,
Yeah.
no wait, shit. I'm changing windows. Okay, wait, there we go. So yeah.
Basically.
So that's it for this video. It's gonna take a while for this to actually render. God, it's like 1 hour and 34 minutes.
Yeah, you might wanna like cut only use only the best parts.
Yeah, that's true. Like the ones where we like.
Otherwise, it would be like a re-upload, and we don't want to do stuff like that.
Yeah, like even though there are people who do like blind commentary stuff and blind commentary things and stuff like that, there were a lot of parts where we like quiet.
Yeah.
So mostly just cut out the parts where we like laughing out loud, basically.
Yeah, where we're lulling the shit out of everything.
Yes.
Yeah, please remember me to never make a joke like this again. Because I feel deeply insulted by myself.
It's okay.
If I was me, I would not want to be friends with me right now.
Oh.
If I was me, wait, hold up a second. There's something wrong with that sentence.
I was
Can't quite pinpoint what it is, though. I just don't have a life. Anyways.
We're gonna end this video right here.
Yeah.
So, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you didn't enjoy, then fuck you. No, not really. If you didn't enjoy, then you didn't. Then that's
Well,
all.
why did you watch the video then?
Yeah, like that's pretty much. Yeah. But yeah. You can go ahead and do your outro first.
Oh, what? Wait, I got this.
All right.
Hold up. Nom, nom, nom.
Take your time.
Alright, yeah, I'm taking my time on my ride. Yeah, I should never. Okay.
Do your outro, man.
Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. We see you next time whenever we upload another video on this channel. I hope you enjoyed, as he said. If yes, slap the like button. If no, then go frick yourself. Yeah, as I said, see you next time. Little Brown Girl is out. Bye!
And as always, I shall see you all in the next video, which is actually a Cooking with Violet episode 3. Yes, a series that I continue, surprisingly. But yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Love you. Love y'all.